Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, orders, products, fulfillment, and analytics. We have marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the, of course, online store. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language on ShopBase. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So go to your ShopBase admin panel and log in with your credentials, of course. Go to the admin panel and click on settings, which is one of the last options here. Then under the settings section, click on languages. Basically here, click on languages. You can add new languages or change the existing language settings. Make sure to set the default language and any additional languages you want to support. To allow customers to switch languages, enable the language switcher on your storefront. This can be done in the theme section under Customize. Once you made the necessary changes, save your settings, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.